Good morning. Today it's Sunday and the weather is really nice compared to yesterday. So I thought I'd go for a walk to meet an old friend. And today I wanted to kind of talk about what it's like living in a suburban town outside of Tokyo. So I am staying, right now we are living in Hiratsuka. Hiratsuka is it's technically a seaside town, but we are living in the very north of it. So for us to see is the ocean is like an hour away. But basically it's a kind of a typical suburban town around an hour away from Tokyo, or from Shinjuku, by train. And yeah, so I thought I'll take you through kind of our daily life here, although we have been mostly running around to different parts of the city and also to Tokyo. So yeah, but thought I'll show you what you can find in the surrounding. And my first stop is actually visiting an old friend of mine. He's a bit tall, big, tall, white guy. And yeah, hope you will enjoy meeting this friend as much as I did. Made it, and I don't know if you can see him behind me, but there's my old friend, Mr. Fuji. It looks very nice in winter, you know, when he's packed with snow. So yeah, this is one of the peaks of living in the outskirts of Tokyo, is that you have this really beautiful view, and you also have nature and stuff. I hope you liked the Fuji footage. It's quite nice today, you know. It's really covered in a lot of snow already. I think it's gonna be covered in even more probably like once January and February hit and it gets a bit like even colder. Right now I'm just going to walk back home. I'm gonna have a quick lunch, and after that I think we're gonna continue exploring a bit in the neighborhood, go to the supermarket as well. Known as Kitakaname Shrine, and it's basically 2 minutes walking away from us. And it's a small shrine, but I think it looks really nice, especially since you still have kind of a little bit of autumn colors here. So you got a few like oranges and reds and yellows left, so it looks kind of nice. And yeah, I think this is also going to be the shrine that we're gonna come to for New Year, because you know the other like biggest nearest shrine is like a 30-minute drive away by car, and it also gets very busy just because there's a lot of people, obviously. But this one I think, yeah, not a lot of people come here. So for the first shrine visit of the year, which I'm going to talk about in 3 weeks from now, but yeah, for the first shrine visit of the year, I think this should definitely be good enough. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna stick around here until sun has finally set, and afterwards, yeah, not much planned for today. I think we're just gonna go to the supermarket again, because we ended up going to a different supermarket, not the one that we liked, just because it was closer. But tomorrow afterwards we can go by car with Joey's mom, which makes it a lot easier. to get there, and then in the evening I want to go to see the illuminations at the college as mentioned. So yeah, it's gonna be it for today then. Just kind of a slow day, but I hope you like the Fuji footage and stuff like that. And tomorrow we're gonna probably go to Hiratsuka, like the city, to do some shopping. Made it to the university, Tokai Daigaku, where you can apparently see the illuminations, but unfortunately apparently they are not doing them on Sunday. I guess because it's not a school day, and like I guess there's not a lot of people around. So yeah, unfortunately no illuminations today. But I can show them to you maybe some other day, because they're doing them until the 23rd or something, I think. So yeah, still 2 weeks left. But yeah, instead we are going to go for sushi, which to the same place that we went on the first day. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it. Enjoy the rest of the evening of sushi footage that you can't eat.
It's gonna be until 8. It was until 8.
Oh, until 8. Okay, so the illuminations were only until 8, and right now it's 8:30, so we just missed them, unfortunately. But still, I'm gonna show them to you another day. And yeah, as I said, enjoy the sushi footage, enjoy us eating it, enjoy looking at it and being jealous. And yeah, tomorrow we are going to Hiratsuka, the town, or the actual city center. So yeah, city center more or less, to do some shopping and I guess stuff like that. So yeah, see you tomorrow.
各件用紙に書いてある番号のお席にお進みください。